What you guys are currently looking at is evidence of a serious screen jitter multi-touch issue on the Redmi K20 Pro. Hey, my name is Mitchell. If you're new to my channel, I make videos about the tech I use. I have to go ahead and thank everyone on Telegram for actually helping me with this video first, getting me examples of their issues. And without the Telegram community, I couldn't be making videos like this. Also, thanks to everyone that supports me with the affiliate links. Also, I've been working with a really talented writer to go ahead and put up all kinds of good and informative content on my website. And I'm definitely going to be having written articles about this subject in the next couple days. Okay, enough talking, let's hop into this. Now, this has been something that's developed mostly in the Redmi K20 Pro Telegram community. I'll have a link to that community down here. People started talking about screen jitter issues or issues when playing PUBG. Now, this issue is created if you hold 2 fingers stationary on the device and swipe with 1 finger back and forth. This might affect you if you are using a claw or a trigger type of accessory that would go on the back of your device so that you could shoot while playing PUBG. And there's a lot of people that were looking to purchase the Redmi K20 Pro for mobile gaming. It's something that Xiaomi and Redmi has really used as part of their marketing campaign, especially in India, that this is going to be a great gaming phone. Now, this incident isn't isolated. I reached out to people in the Mi 9 community. Some of them were having these same symptoms as well, and I'll show you guys a video of that. But mostly I've been reaching out and talking to people in the Redmi K20 Pro community, and there's a couple other people now that have the same exact issue that I can also recreate. Now, we've been talking about this for the past couple days, and I wasn't going to make a video about this unless I personally could recreate it, and it was more than isolated incidents. But it seems like this is a shielding or some type of electrical issue with the touchscreen when you are holding the metal sides of the phone without a case on it. You have difficulty recreating this to the same extent. If you put the device in a case or lay it on a table without touching it, then you can go ahead and create this problem pretty readily. What's even more strange is if you plug this device into charge, even if it is inside of a case, the issue goes away or is significantly less prominent. So this is something to do with a construction error in the K20 Pro and with the touch screen and the digitizer. And for a lot of people that were looking to get this device, especially in India where mobile gaming is really big, this is really disappointing. Now, at this point, the device is yet to launch outside of China, and really the only way that as a Xiaomi community or Xiaomi enthusiast community go ahead and address this issue is to share it within the community. Reach out to them and share this video on Twitter, share it in Telegram communities that you might be a part of, in Facebook groups that you might be a part of, and at some point, hopefully we can get this issue at least noticed, if not addressed. Okay, I know this was a bit of a shorter video, but if you want to see more videos about the K20 Pro and the things I love or hate about it, go ahead, click or tap right here. If you guys want to see content about the Pocophone F1, go ahead and click or tap right here. If you want to stay up to date with everything going on with these devices, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It should be around my nose. Till next time, it's been Mitchell. See you soon.